Hey, this is Charleen Davis, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about leads. So, how many of you have done an online business and struggled to get leads into your business, right? You can generate leads on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. However, that's really time consuming. And however, I would recommend that you still continue to do that. What if you had a business that generated free leads to you every single day? Every day. So why do people struggle getting leads? Number one, they don't know how to network within either the Facebook groups or on their Facebook page, and they have trouble getting people interested in what they're doing. The other thing is you can purchase leads, and that can get quite expensive, whether you're doing solo ads or Bing ads or Google ads, Facebook ads. Sometimes it can get expensive to do that, and not everybody's prepared to spend that kind of money. Again, let me ask you, if you had a business where you could generate free leads for the lifetime of your business, would you be interested in that? A business that when you start, they take a percentage of the money, the revenue, and they turn around and they put it into lead generation. Okay, you've heard me talk a little bit about the different levels of digital income system. You can come in at $1,000 level, $3,000, $5,000, $12,000, or $25,000. Whatever level you come in at, you will get free leads generated by the company. However, the higher that you come in, number one, you can make bigger commissions, but you will generate more free leads. And that is exciting. So more leads equals more sales, right? So that's the one thing I really like about this business is they've taken everything out of the equation that new people really struggle with. And the first one is lead generation. So subscribe to my channel, ask me more questions, comment below, find me on Facebook. I have those links all below this video. There is no reason that you can't connect with me, ask me questions, or watch the video, the business video, and connect with a coach. They too can answer all of your questions about how this business works. We're here to help you, and the number one thing holding people back is lead generation. And this company has really taken the guesswork out of that and doing that for you. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe below. Take care. Bye-bye.